Hey everybody, now we are going to discuss on more examples of probability, but before that, let us recognize some truths about playing cards. Do you know this before? Playing cards are totally 52 standard playing cards. From that, spades are 13, clubs are 13, heart 13, diamond 13. Out of this, there are 26 blacks and 26 red. 4 ace, 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. 4 numbers. So out of these, as I told you, 26 are black and the rest 26 are red. So after we have recognized such truths, let us go back to our example. From a deck of 52 playing cards, one card is drawn. Find the probability that is either king or queen or red, either an AC or heart. For A, our solution will be probability of king plus probability of queen, because in these two events there is an N intersection. So the result will be 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52, that is 2 over 13. For B, Q or red becomes probability of Q plus probability of red minus probability of Q intersection red, that is 4 over 52 plus 26 over 52 minus 2 over 52, which becomes 7 over 13. For C, either an AC or heart, our probability becomes probability of AC plus probability of heart minus probability of A intersection heart, which is 4 over 52 plus 13 over 52 minus 1 over 52 becomes 4 over 13. Next example. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that all are jack if the first card was replaced. B. All are king if the first card was not replaced. C. The first is an AC and the second is king if the first card was not replaced. Let us see the solution for A. That is, all are jack, then the first card was replaced. For the probability of jack is 4 over 52. But the card replaced again. So our event and sample space will never decrease. Again, it multiplied with 4 over 52. So it becomes 1 over 169. This is the answer. B. All are king if the first card was not replaced. Now, our event and sample space decreases by 1 because there is no replacement. So probability of king is 4 over 52 multiplied with our event decreases by 1 and our sample space is 2, decreased by 1. So, which becomes 1 over 221. The first is an AC and the second is king. If the first card was not replaced, the first is an AC, that is 4 over 52 multiplied with the second is a king, again 4 over, but now our sample space becomes 51 because it has decreased by 1. Why? There is no replacement now. So the result will be 4 over 663. The last example. From a pack of 52 playing cards, 3 cards are drawn one after the other without replacement. Find the probability that king, queen, and jack will be obtained respectively. So our solution will be 4 over 52 for the king, multiplied with 4 over 51 for the queen, because our sample space decreased by 1. Why? There is no replacement. And for the jack, 4 over 50. Now also our sample space decreases by 1. So the result becomes finally 8 over 16,575. Thank you for watching, everybody. These all are from our lessons on probability. Thank you for watching. In the next lectures, another topics will come soon.